is greeting you this kind of birthday celebration?
Look, honestly, I've never had a dinner. Oh,
Yeah,
I've never had a dinner like that with my family. I've never had a dinner like this ever. Like, this is like a special, of course, a special memory for me. And the food that we ate. I've been to many places. I've been lucky enough to go to many different countries. I've never seen food like that. I've never seen I don't even know what that is. I've looked at it. But it tastes good. So I guess it just tastes like special memory.
And how is it celebrating your birthday now you're a showbiz personality?
For me, it's the same feeling. I mean, with a lot of things changing, this is one of the things I want to keep the same. Just the way I celebrate my birthday. Because usually I wouldn't have like a giant celebration. I spend it with family and friends. Like on my birthday, before I go to the cinema with my family, and that's my birthday. And then I celebrate with my friends on another day. So it's not something that will change for me. I'll never let my birthday change. I'll just spend it with people I love. And that's it.
And what's your birthday wish pa if you know? And yung birthday wish pa rin?
Oo nga, ikaw muna. Ladies first.
Ladies first after the boys.
Tama nga ano mo.
Sige po, ang bilang si Buti. Kasi huwag kang bago lang. Kasi nagamat ako sino ka. Tapos ano ka lang, parang sana kung paano ka maging caring sa lahat ng tao. Sana ganun ka rin. Kung ganun ka ka-lovable person. Stay who you are because all of us love you of who you are.
What who you are?
What now? When?
What I am?
Yeah, who
So,
you.
object.
Tama ba? Basta gets mo na yun.
I'll teach.
Tapos yun.
Tapos yun.
Tapos yun pa maalagay mo sa pamilya mo. Tapos yung pagiging matulungin mo talaga. Kasi yung nagusto ko sa'yo, yung maging matulungin ko sa sa charity, sa mga bata. Tapos siya, yun, huwag kang magbago. Tapos, yun, magiging makadis ka pa rin. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Ikaw, what's your birthday wish?
To learn Tagalog quick.
Paano mo pala yan tinutulungan sa pagtatagalog?
Hindi, mahirap.
Hindi kasi nag-ano din ako po eh, papractice ng
Mag-English. Naku ba?
That's the hard part. Kasi if you learn a language, you should know for example, as for English, the person teach me should know English too, di ba? Before they can speak me.
Yeah.
Teach me Tagalog.
Sutang.
Si Maymay kasi,
Gabi
medyo awkward ang English niya.
Pero bakit?
Ano? Birthday for good health for my family, because with everything changing at the moment, one thing I want is to keep the same, is that my family will be there. Because as in, I wouldn't be able to get this far. I would have gone crazy by now if it wasn't for my family, without my
Hindi
friends.
wala ka sa mental.
Ako guys,
Kaya hindi na daw eh.
but yun lang, that for my family and friends to be safe, for everything to stay the same, because although a lot of things are changing, like I've said a lot, with all the blessings coming, I just hope that the people I love are still there.
Andito ba family mo ngayon? Silang lahat?
Yung nanay lang.
Pero is there a plan na for them to fully settle here in the Philippines?
My sister still has college, so has university. Tsaka yung tatay ko, ang trabaho niya is Germany.
Oh.
So he can't just drop all of his things there and come here, especially because you never know in showbiz.
Yeah,
You really
yeah.
things could be going well now. Bukas, sino si Edward? PBB ba siya? Ayan, you might not know. You never know what's gonna end. So I want to continue my school, make sure everything's settled, and I'll just enjoy the ride. Dramatic.
Pero ano yan? Anong tawag dito? How do you feel yung pressure naman ng fans in terms of how you move forward as a love team? Like, gusto nila palaging may sana maging sila na, yung mga ganon. Anong, how do you feel about it?
Para sa amin, if you allow yourself to be pressured, that's when you stop enjoying something.
Saka, parang sa amin lang, kasi ano pa katotoo. Pero masaya
Yeah.
kami sa kung ano yung, masaya kami na masaya sila sa amin. Pero, kasi ano pa katotoo kami, tas talagang, kung ano yung nakikita nila talaga sa amin, yun talaga yun.
I can honestly say we've never acted, like we've never
Yeah.
pretended to. Because I know from PBB, if you try to be someone you're not gonna make it to the end. Because you'll be lying to everyone, to yourself. So you.
Pero masaya kami na masaya sila.
Like my father will always say that as long as you're being yourself, you can't lose yourself. Because
Yeah.
sometimes when things are changing, you can lose who you are.
Ano yung being yourself? Ay,
Umiwalay.
I'm not myself.
But yeah, if you take the pressure in, that's when you stop enjoying it. We're trying not to.
And last na lang, Maymay, kumusta na yung fan na Maymay ngayon na celebrity ka na?
Ano?
Di ba yung pagiging fan na Maymay, nasaan na
Hindi
yon?
ko lang, ganun pa rin po. Masaya ako nakikita na, parang basta masabi ko po ako ng pinaka-swerte fan na talagang araw-araw may sa ASAP, tapos talagang ganyan ba, picture pa rin po ako, talagang hindi ko,
Sanay na siya
hindi ko,
sa mga artist. Totoo.
grabe si Enrique, ari ni
Hindi,
ASAP
okay,
na.
pero like the
Kasi yung mga ano, sila si River, tapos sila Ma'am Ma'am Sara Labate. Kasi, grabe kasi, ikaw ang sanay. Siya po, sanay. Ganun.
no, siya nagsabi. Oh my gosh, before, if you saw her before, oh my gosh.
Hindi naman mapapakita sa
If you're Enrique,
Pero ngayon,
now, ay, Sir Enrique,
wala mga picture. Kasi ganun. Parati
it's not as energetic as
Wait
before.
parati kang late sa rehearsal eh. Kaya nakikita eh.
aray. Ang kalat. Thank you.